News just coming in. Pakistan is threatening to boycott the Asia Cup if the match referee Andy Pycroft is not removed immediately. Indian skipper Surya Kumar Yadav, from what sources are telling India today, Team India is very clear. There's unlikely to be a handshake with the Pakistanis even next time when we play them. The next clash is on the 22nd of September. As Pakistan reels from this defeat and humiliation in Dubai, Pakistan's meltdown continues. Now, we're just being told heads have already rolled in Pakistan. The Pakistan Cricket Board has suspended its Director of International Cricket Operations, Usman Wahla, citing his failure to act on the handshake controversy after the snub spiraled into a massive embarrassment for Pakistan. So from the field to the boardroom, India's cold shoulder has left Pakistan embarrassed and red-faced. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Rahul Rawat for more on this. Rahul, what can you tell me about, one, Pakistan's threat not to play the next match if Andy Pycroft is not removed, and is he likely to be removed, the match referee?
Well, Gaurav, the complaint, in fact, two complaints were lodged by the PCB, the Pakistan Cricket Board. One, of course, to Andy Pycroft, who was the match referee, and the other one against match referee Andy Pycroft. That complaint was lodged before the International Cricket Council. Now, this is a veiled threat, and also, Pakistan Cricket Board of late has been. They systematically leak a few things before to their media, and those who do not toe their line, they are denied accreditations. That is what has happened in the Asia Cup as well. I know a few journalists were denied accreditations. The PCB refused to give them accreditations for the Asia Cup because they could not, or they did not toe PCB's line. Now it's a veiled threat that is being circulated by the PCB through their media. Currently, right now, there's a game happening between UAE and Oman. And UAE, they are on the verge of winning this game. So if UAE win this game and Pakistan forfeit their game, Pakistan are out of the tournament. We were talking about three potential matches between India and Pakistan. There could be a possibility where even the second game may not be possible between India and Pakistan. As you said, about the handshakes in the next game, not happening. Absolutely not happening. And as far as handshakes are concerned, it's a convention. There is no written rule that the two captains or the players have to greet each other, have to shake hands after the match gets over. So it has happened in the past. There have been instances where the players have not greeted each other after the game, and that is exactly what happened in this game as well.